अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं ब्रेड मलाई रोल। वेरी टेस्टी, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट, रिच एंड फ्लेवरफुल। डू ट्राई इट आउट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। आई हैव टेकन 1.5 liters ऑफ मिल्क। इसमें से आई हैव रिमूव्ड 250 ml टू मिक्स द कस्टर्ड एंड द मिल्क पाउडर। तो अभी 1.25 liters गर्म करने के लिए रखा हुआ है। जब तक दूध गर्म हो रहा है, let's mix the custard and the milk powder. Take half a cup of milk in a bowl. Add 1 cup of milk powder. Mix well so that no lumps are formed. You can even use the whisk and keep it aside. Now let's make the custard. Take the remaining milk. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of custard powder. You can use any flavor. I've used pineapple again. Mix well. Keep that also aside. Now milk has started to boil. Let's add the milk powder mix. Keep stirring. We have to reduce the milk to almost half its quantity. Now add the custard mix. Keep stirring continuously. We don't want the milk to burn. Now add 1 cup of sugar to the milk and mix. Add the seeds of 5 to 6 cardamoms and a few strands of saffron, kesar, saffron as it is called. Keep stirring on medium flame till the milk is almost reduced to half. It's been almost 10 minutes now, another 2 to 3 minutes. The rabdi is now ready. We have added custard powder mix, milk powder mix, sugar, saffron and cardamom seeds. This will get thicker as it cools. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. Add 500 grams of khova or mawa also as it is called to a pan. I have not yet switched on the flame. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of badam powder, a few strands of saffron, half a cup of sugar, seeds of 2 to 3 cardamoms, or a pinch of cardamom powder if you have. Now switch on the flame and cook on medium heat till the khova and the sugar melts and everything combines together. The khova and the sugar have completely melted and they're not sticking to the pan as well. So another 2 minutes and it will be done. Remove to a bowl and keep aside. I have taken 2 packets of bread. Cut the sides of the breads. ऐसे ही sides कट करके सारे bread slices को ready कर लीजिए पहले. Now roll out the bread slices with a balun. Bread slices are also flattened and ready. Now apply water to your hand. अभी जो खवा mix हमने बनाया था उसको छोटे छोटे balls लेके make it into an elongated shape the size of your bread slice. ये एक एक भी बना के you can roll the bread in, but I prefer preparing everything beforehand and then doing it in one shot. Now keep the filling inside, roll over slowly and seal the edges with water. Arrange the rolls in the container in which you are planning to make it. In this way, complete all the rolls and arrange them in their containers. Ab rabdi ki bari hai. Pour the rabdi all over the malai rolls till they are completely submerged. Garnish the malai rolls with sliced nuts. I have used pista. You can use whatever is available with you. Bread malai roll is now ready. Serve chilled. But that doesn't mean you can keep it for hours together in the fridge. The bread soaks in the rabdi and it will turn dry. So as soon as it is chilled, do serve and enjoy. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.